Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Streets of New Capenna. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Glittermonger, followed by Dig Up the Body, Broker's Veteran, Celebrity Fencer, Wrecking Crew, Warm Welcome, Girder Goons, Rakish Revelers, Riveteer's Overlook, Sleep with the Fishes, Dusk Mangler, Citizen's Crowbar, Obnixilis the Adversary, Case the Joint in foil. Our land is an island. And we have a wizard token at the back. So again, we have island, Case the Joint foil. And then we have Obnixilis the Adversary, one of the planeswalkers added in the set. And one of the ones that I was very excited about. Just from the Casualty X keyword here, being able to create a copy of a planeswalker as a token with whatever loyalty you can put on it from that casualty effect. That very quickly can create problems when you have the -7 on here of target player draws 7 cards and loses 7 life. If you're able to easily just create that token with 7 or more loyalty, immediately popping that is huge value. Sure, your opponent might be drawing 7 cards, but they're also losing 7 life. If you're playing this in Standard or Pioneer, Modern, that's easily almost half their life. Playing this in Commander, it's a little less impactful, but 7 life is still 7 life. That can be a big chunk. Or if you target yourself, 7 cards is a huge value add in any of those formats. And 7 life, yeah, it might be a big chunk, but that 7 cards can be a big swing, and that's the way that Rakdos, that black-red plays, is life is just a resource. The only life that actually matters is the difference between 1 and 0. So having the ability to get that kind of value out of losing 7 life for 7 cards and having a second planeswalker out, so that's 2 different bodies that your opponent has to worry about, that's huge value for 1, a black and a red at that. Next we have Citizen's Crowbar, then the Dusk Mangler, Sleep with the Fishes, Riveteer's Overlook, Rakish Revelers, Girder Goons, Warm Welcome, Wrecking Crew, Celebrity Fencer, Broker's Veteran, Dig Up the Body, and Glittermonger. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.